Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a BMW X2, sDrive, one owner, full service history, in a nice metallic blue, alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, heated leather seats. This part here will go forward for your leg. That's the key, by the way. Height adjustable passenger seat. Glove box, that's your instruction manual there. Isofix rear seats. Two USB-Cs here. X2. It's also sDrive. Electronic tailgate. Cavernous boot, really. Nice large area. Power outlet here. Split rear seat as well, as you can see. To shut the tailgate, push this button. Four electric windows, tailgate release, height adjustable driver's seat, electronic lumbar support, automatic lights. Put your foot on the brake, push this button to start the vehicle. Navigation. You can go to this setting here and you can move these where you want them. CD player, dual climate. This is your seats here and here. You can push them individually. Automatic. Different gearbox modes here, Sport and Eco Pro. Traction control. This is your handbrake. Pocket here in the armrest. You can lift the armrest up. Then with the USB here. I'll show you the miles. Here's the miles. 34,239 miles. And this is your temperature gauge. It goes to your temperature gauge. That's your temperature gauge. Obviously Bluetooth, navigation. Map. You control that screen from here. These are all your buttons to control it. So automatic. This pocket here has a power outlet here. Drinks holder, but you can shut that if you don't want it open. Shut that out of the way. To turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. You can drive Tiptronically. It's got these here to drive. Change gear. Automatic wipers. So it's automatic lights. Thanks for watching. If you get any questions, please give us a call.